The top picks for swimming watches in 2024. Make a splash. Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we're thrilled to unveil our latest guide focusing on the best swimming watches of 2024. Join us as we explore the technology and features that'll redefine how you track and elevate your swimming goals. Let's dive right in. Garmin Descent Mk2i. Let's begin with the Garmin Descent Mk2i. The Garmin Descent Mk2i is more than just a swimming watch. It's a full-fledged dive computer designed specifically for organizing and tracking your dives, as well as keeping you safe. Subwave sonar transmits data to other divers within a 10-meter range. Satellite location automatically displays entry and departure positions, and the dive log retains data for up to 200 dives. There are also clever touches like an always-on display that can be double-tapped to switch displays while wearing gloves, a strap extender for wearing over a dry suit, and Apnea Hunt mode, which is designed for free diving. There are also pool and open water swimming options, and when you're not in the water, profiles for running, cycling, rowing, and skiing will help you track your other activities, while animated on-screen workouts will assist you through training routines while ensuring appropriate form. SUUNTO 7. Next, if you're looking for a mid-range swimming watch for regular workouts, the SUUNTO 7 is an excellent choice. Pool and open water swimming profiles are available, including pace and distance metrics for both. The watch counts swimming stroke length, type, and count for you, while the heart rate sensor gives reliable information underwater. Recovery tools assist you in efficiently planning your training so that you get the most out of each workout, and a notebook is available for recording. Its workout numbers synced promptly in our tests, and the app made it simple to sift through them later to discover trends. And voice commands via Google Assistant allow you to operate the watch hands-free, which is always appreciated. You'll have to maintain both the SUUNTO app and Google Fit installed on your phone, which is a little more work than we'd like to, but it's not too bad. The SUUNTO 9 is a more advanced gadget, but the 7 is hard to surpass at this pricing point. Apple Watch Ultra 2. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is up next. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is probably the ultimate waterproof smartwatch, rated 100 ATM and suitable for diving, putting it a few steps ahead of its competition. When submerged in water, the Apple Watch Ultra transforms into a dive computer, displaying live depth on an easy-read display. It can withstand the water pressure of jet skiing and surfing, as well as dives of up to 40 meters. It also works with the Oceanic Plus app, which provides diving metrics and features. Divers are also well served by the Ocean Strap, which, in our opinion, is the best of the standard issue bands. When it comes to swimming, the Apple Watch Ultra matches the basic Series 9 and Apple Watch SE models' exceptional tracking performance. Of course, wearing it is an entirely different beast. The 49mm casing means it's hefty on the wrist, which many people, particularly ladies, will find unpleasant to wear. But the screen and extra day of battery life more than make up for it, and the Apple Watch Ultra exudes outdoor vibes when you're going about your business. Polar Grit X Pro. The Polar Grit X Pro is up next. The Polar Grit X Pro highlights the best that Polar has to offer in terms of sports tracking and rich data analysis, and the addition of extra navigation features makes it a superior outdoor watch as well. Polar's rich sleep tracking still has a notable cost on battery life, which isn't class-leading. Smartwatch functions are expanding as well, but this is still primarily a sports watch first and a smartwatch second. It has a 47mm stainless steel casing that is 13mm thick and a 22mm fluoroelastomer strap that comes in small and large sizes to provide a nice, snug fit. The primary difference between this and the original Grit X is the new style bezel, which Polar claims contains deco detailing and adds numbers and compass icons to make things look a little more outdoorsy. It's still a waterproof watch that has been certified to MIL STD 810G military standards to ensure it's built for rough use, and Polar has now added a sapphire glass lens to better protect the screen from scratches. It includes a plethora of sports modes and information, as well as the sensors to reliably measure your performance. You'll get satellite support for the GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS systems, as well as assisted GNSS support to help you acquire a better fix on those satellites. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is up next. Is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 water resistant? Yes, it is water resistant and should withstand sweating as well. These new wearables have an outstanding IP68 grade for dirt and water resistance. Although the Watch 6 is not a tough wristwatch by any means, it is resistant to rain, perspiration from workouts, and the occasional splash. It can also accompany you to swimming lessons and withstand the odd trip to the deep end of your neighborhood pool. Along with the IP68 certification, Samsung boasts a 5 ATM water resistance rating for the Galaxy Watch 6. It means that your smartwatch will continue to function regularly even when subjected to 5 atmospheres of pressure. Because normal atmospheric pressure is 1 ATM, you would experience roughly 5 ATM of pressure while 50 meters beneath the surface of water, such as a scuba dive or entering the deeper end of a public pool. Along with this, your watch can continuously scan your heart rate, provide insights to help you build better sleep patterns with advanced sleep coaching, and offer readings on body fat, skeletal muscle, body water, BMI, and more. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is here. This Galaxy Watch 5 is unquestionably water resistant. Not only can it withstand running water, but it can also be totally submerged without being destroyed. In fact, Samsung includes programs specifically intended for swimming exercises in the Samsung Health app. From hiking to rock climbing, its 2 times tougher sapphire crystal glass display is suitable for rigorous activities in harsh outdoor situations. And you can train worry-free thanks to its super tough titanium housing. And thanks to its increased battery life, it's designed to last on long outdoor adventures. Along with these features, it also displays body composition data on your wrist. You can now acquire body fat, skeletal muscle, body water, basal metabolic rate, and BMI values on your own time. While advanced sleep coaching assists you in developing healthier sleep habits by examining your sleep patterns. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Hey, subscribing is fun, so to receive updates on our most recent videos, please subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.